The Condensed Transcendent Wisdom says, "The Dharma depends upon the spiritual teacher. Thus said the Buddha, the supreme embodiment of all good qualities." It was Buddha Shakyamuni with perfect qualities and great compassion, not an ordinary person, who stressed the importance of being accepted by a qualified teacher. The perfection of wisdom in 8,000 verses also says, if the bodhisattvas wish to attain unsurpassed, perfect enlightenment, they must rely upon a qualified spiritual teacher. The Flower Garland Sutra also says, if there is no one to expound the Buddha's teachings, even the wisest beings cannot comprehend them. That is, without the guidance of a qualified teacher, no matter how clever or wise one may be, one cannot realize the Dharma through one's own effort alone. Why? Because the Buddha's teachings are vast, with numerous transmissions covering a wide range of topics. Without the guidance of a teacher's pith, instructions, we would be unable to condense the essential points of all those teaching and put them into practice.